What about the credibility of the IEBC, which is the body mandated with carrying out this election? Because initially there was a memo that was written by one Wafula Chebukati, one that raised eyebrows with 12 pointers, asking Ezra Chiloba to answer to several issues. Now, on page 5 of the paper is an interesting special report detailing that the IEBC Secretariat last Sunday responded to that letter, that memo rather, by Wafula Chebukati, a response that has yet to be made public. It is not clear yet whether Wafula Chebukati will be making that public, but critical issues were raised in that memo. What does Jubilee have to say about that?
I wonder what credibility NASA is talking about in regards to IEBC. Because you see, their presidential candidate, every time he comes out in a press conference, he's flanked around by members who are sworn-in senators, sworn-in MPs by the same IEBC. I can tell you the truth. Whoever we put as the chair or as the CEO of IEBC, NASA will still see faults in them. The issue is never about the personalities here. The issue is about how can we destabilize this process? How can we destabilize IEBC so that, of course, we can move towards 17th of October unprepared. And therefore, when we move towards that date unprepared, they will have all the authority to say, look, we need more time. More time, what does it mean? 60 days lapse. After 60 days, we grant them their wishes, which we will not do this time around.
Right.